Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TXMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame because I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that, yeah, I realize I'd be stating the obvious. Pretty rough day. I mean, gap down and then this nasty downwards movement here. But to give credit to, the bulls did start to show some signs of strength in regards to the bounce, which leads us into our, question of, well, yeah, the price is bouncing, but does this bounce have any sort of true strength behind it? Is there any sort of genuine power, or is this just some sort of, knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that's why I love charts. Makes things very straightforward. And that level is right here at, let's see, what is that? $5.65. Why is $5.65 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, bounces that are actually bounces are going to continue to bounce, right? They're going to continue to make progress forward. They're not going to go back to where they were. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power, with genuine strength, is going to continue forward and not go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $5.65. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back into this range where it already was during these low portions of today. Whereas, let's say the price kind of does what it already did right there, and pulls back and just bounces around here before starting to head back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. And if you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have some stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. Sure, that would just be kind of a small start, but all things have to start somewhere, right? So if this is indeed some sort of bounce, keyword meaning bounce. Talking about a reversal right now is way too premature. Can bounces turn into reversals? Yes, absolutely. But right now, the key priority, at least in my opinion, is just seeing if this thing's even any sort of bounce, or if today was just, like I said, a dead cat fake bounce. So if you haven't kind of connected those dots, $5.60, very important level of support. What about areas of resistance? Initial area of resistance is just kind of simply where the overall party kind of stopped today, and that was right up there at $5.92. If the price can break through there, then the next key level to keep an eye on is going to be the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. I realize it's totally irrelevant right now given it's way up there, but as time goes by tomorrow, it'll move and make its way downwards. So keep an eye on those couple areas of resistance. But all in all, interesting closeout, really interesting afternoon. So let's see if this is any sort of start of a stronger bounce or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.